Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home cooking. That's right, I'm finna fix up something here again. So here's another cooking video for you. What I'm gonna be fixing up this time is some mustard greens. I was over at the grocery store and thinking it was HEB. I stopped off there and I looked over and I said, I got a taste for some greens, and so I was looking and I picked these here up. This is all they had. They didn't have a lot. I guess a lot of people buying these greens, which I like mustard greens. So I said, well, get me some of them. So I did. So now what I'm going to do with these mustard greens here, I'm going to take and I'm going to rinse them off real good, and we're going to put them in a pot. We're going to fix up some good old mustard greens here. Now, what I'm gonna season these mustard greens up with. Yeah, I got some of this here too. I also picked this up. This here is a ham shark, smoked ham shark, and I'm gonna use this here for put in the greens for flavoring them up. Oh man, that really brings some good flavor in. So I'm gonna put that in there, and that's gonna really make them tasty. That, and we're gonna use we're gonna put some salt. We're gonna put some pepper, and we're gonna get some onion powder. We're gonna put some of that in there, onion powder, and we'll have some garlic. That's right. So we're gonna use all of these ingredients for the seasoning of these greens. Also, I had some real crumbled bacon bits. I was looking in the refrigerator and I said, I got some of this bacon, so I'm gonna put some of that in there too. That's gonna really bring in some more flavor for the greens, the bacon and shark, ham, hawk. That's gonna bring some more flavor in. Oh yeah. So we're gonna get these here all fixed up, and we're gonna have us some good old mustard greens, good tasty mustard greens here to yeah, we're just gonna season them up real good, and we're gonna eat good. We're gonna eat good, and that's what it's about, eating good. Eat you some good healthy greens here. So let me take them over here, get my pot, and I'm gonna rinse them off real good. Give me a minute, and I'll be right back with you. So give me a minute. Let me go over here and wash these off, and then we're gonna get them put into a pot so that we can have some of these good old mustard greens here. That's right. All right, give me just a minute now. Okay, guys, you can see I have the greens in the pot, and I have the ham sharks in there, and I also have put the water. I added the water in there, and now what I'm gonna take and do is put some of this here salt in here. Yeah, we're gonna put a little salt in there. We're gonna put enough in there just to get it good and a good flavor to it. Yeah. Okay, so we got that salt in there, and meanwhile, let me turn it on here so we can get it we can start getting it all warmed up. So we got some got the salt added in there to the mustard greens. Now we're gonna have some black pepper added to these mustard greens. See right here? Oh yeah, put the black pepper on there. That's good. So we got black pepper on mustard greens. We got the salt on the mustard greens. Now we're gonna take and put some garlic. Yeah, we're gonna put some garlic powder onto these greens here. Oh yeah. Put that in there. Just sprinkle some in there. Add that garlic. It's gonna season them up real good. It's gonna give it a good flavor. Okay, so now we have that. Okay, so now we're gonna put some of this onion powder. Oh yeah, we gotta have some of that onion powder in there. Okay, sprinkle that in there. Let's make them really tasty. Now we're gonna put some of this bacon. See, we got some of this bacon here. We're gonna get some of this bacon bits out of there. So let's just see if we can get some of it out of here. So we want these greens. We want these mustard greens to be really good and tasty. Okay, so there we go. So we have our bacon bits added into our mustard greens here. Oh yeah, that's gonna make them tasty, tasty, tasty. And also something else we're gonna add that will just flavor them up. Hold on a minute. Now, I'm gonna take for my greens, I'm gonna add some of this brown sugar in there. We got 1/4. So what I'm gonna do, I'll get some of this, put some of that in there. You know, put just 1/4 of that. Put that off in there. You're talking about some good greens. It's gonna be they're gonna be good. It's gonna be some good tasty greens here. Oh, let me tell you about this. I fixed greens like this a number of times, and they always would come out good. Now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna let this here sit and simmer, and we're gonna get it where we're gonna let it cook down. It's gonna take a little while for it to cook down. Let me mash this here down in here. Smash it around like that right there. Get it off in there. Okay. So this here part here, you want to get it all good and hot and let it cook down. So normally about a good 40, I would say a good 40 minutes. And you'll have some good tasty greens. So, and that ham shark flavor, that's gonna really make it taste good. So we're gonna give it some time and let it cook. And we'll come back. Meanwhile, what I'm gonna do, I'm not just gonna eat these greens alone. We're gonna have something else with them. And we're looking to have we definitely gonna have some cornbread to go with our mustard greens here. Oh yeah, gotta have some cornbread for these greens. Oh yeah. So guys, just give me a minute. Give me a minute and we'll be back once this here gets all cooked down. You want to cook them down. Did you see how they look like here? See how they are right now? We're going to cook them down. I like to get my greens all the way cooked down so that, they are easy, just chewy. I mean, like they are right now. No, they're not ready. But that's why we're going to look for about 40 minutes. 40 minutes or longer. It won't hurt it. So once this here starts to boil, oh yeah, we're on our way. And all of that flavor is gonna be into these greens, and we're gonna have some good greens. We're gonna have some good old mustard greens here. Yes. So just thinking about these greens here with all that I have put in here. Oh, it's gonna be some good flavored up greens. Like I say, give me, just stay tuned in. We'll be back with some good greens here real soon. All right. Okay, guys, we're back. We're gonna check it now and see how everything is looking. Look at there. Ooh wee. Look at those greens. Have cooked them down. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's looking good. Oh yeah, that is looking good. Man. Oh yeah. Look at that. Wow. Okay, look at that. Y'all see how the ham shark cooked out? Look at that ham. See how the greens, they all cooked down. Oh wow, look at that. Oh yeah. And I told you, while these greens were getting ready, as I was cooking these mustard greens down, look at that. I prepared some cornbread. Look at that. See that? Oh yeah. We're gonna have some cornbread with these greens. Oh man. Now it's time to plate up. Plate up. Oh, we gotta get a good plate. And we gotta have some of these. Been working on these, working on them. Now we ain't gonna just eat them alone. You know we gotta have something else to go with these greens. Oh yeah, we gotta have something else to go with them. We can't just eat the greens and cornbread, so we got something else to go along with it. Let me get that out. Let me get that out of there too. I want to share that with y'all too. Oh, check this here out. See what I got, guys? I got some macaroni and cheese gonna go with it. Oh yeah. So we're gonna plate up. But I also have some chicken strips gonna go with it. Oh yeah, I told you we wasn't gonna eat alone. Oh yeah, we got something here. I told you when I start cooking, I ain't just cooking for just one item. I'm cooking for multiple things. But this here, we're finna plate up and get us some of these good old greens and cornbread, macaroni and cheese. Oh yeah, and some of the chicken strips here. Oh man, we're finna just have a good plate here. Give me a few minutes and we're gonna get that plate and we're gonna finna just have a good time. Hold on a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back to share the greens that I prepared. The mustard greens here. Got mustard greens. We got some macaroni and cheese. We got some chicken strips right here. And we have some cornbread right here. So took a little time to get those greens together, but hey, I'm ready to do a taste test now. Let's see. Oh, that macaroni, I must say, is good. Well, let's try these greens. They smell good. Not only smell good, they taste good. Those greens are good. With some of this cornbread with it. Wow. With the ham in there and all the flavor that I put off into this. Ooh. This is tasty. These mustard greens taste good, man. Some of this chicken. Good. Wow. Nothing like it, guys. Nothing like it. Just getting in the kitchen and just doing some cooking. More than mustard green. Now these, you just, I mean, I like to cook them down so I could get a good taste in them. Man. Try some of this macaroni and cheese again. Wow. I'm gonna have to come back and do another video on this, guys, and show y'all about how I fixed this macaroni and cheese here. It is, oh, it's delicious. Yeah, how I put a cheese sauce I put together, got it all seasoned up. But I'll make a video. Remind me, I'll make a video and share this. This is a new and improved, updated macaroni and cheese. I've done a video on macaroni and cheese, but I done improved it now. This is, But these greens, man, these greens are good. These mustard greens, ooh. Well, guys, I must say, I'm enjoying these greens, but I'm gonna have to go now, cause I'm gonna finish this up. I'm gonna be ready for another plate of these mustard greens. I'm almost through with it. I must say. Yep. Plate getting empty on this side. But the greens are good. And the cornbread. And the chicken strip. Oh yeah. Fried chicken and greens. It's a good little meal here. Oh yeah. Anyway, guys, let me get out of here. Stay tuned in, cause we got some more cooking to do. We definitely got some more cooking to do. We're gonna cook all year. That's right, we're gonna cook all year. But guys, let me go and get this. This is it's calling my name to get some more of those greens. This is good. I really took some time and put into this. Anyway, I gotta go, guys. I gotta get some more. Y'all stay tuned in. Get ready for another video here real soon. Bye for now.